Hi childrens, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see some words that start with the letter D. D phonic sound is D, D, D. Now see the words. D for donut, D, D, donut. D for daddy, D, D, daddy. D for duck, D, D, duck. D for dinosaur, D, D, dinosaur. D for door, D, D, door. D for dice, D, D, dice. D for desert, D, D, desert. D for dolphin, D, D, dolphin. D for doctor, D, D, doctor. D for dancer, D, D, dancer. D for dam, D, D, dam. D for dot, D, D, dot. D for dip, D, D, dip. D for dim, D, D, dim. D for dig, D, D, dig. D for den, D, D, den. D for drip, D, D, drip. D for deer, D, D, deer. D for diamond, D, D, diamond. D for doll, D, D, doll. D for dress, D, D, dress. D for dish, D, D, dish. D for donkey, D, D, donkey. D for dragonfly, D, D, dragonfly. D for dryer, D, D, dryer. D for dragon, D, D, dragon. D for dustbin, D, D, dustbin. D for desk, D, D, desk. D for dragon fruit, D, D, dragon fruit. D for diaper, D, D, diaper. D for drum, D, D, drum. These are all the D words, children. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.